how to create a sales team in Salesforce and auto-assign leads to them. Once you're logged in, navigate to Setup by clicking on the gear icon, click Setup. Over here, search for Public Groups. So in Salesforce, basically if you want to create a team, you create a public group. On Public Groups, and then you can create your own team by clicking New. You can name this. I can call this Sales Team B. The group name populates automatically. And then you want to search your users and add them. So over here, you'll say, show me all users. These are all the users that we have in Salesforce. Let's say I want to add Gavin and Mufaddal in one team. We want to delegate any administration groups. This is an advanced feature which we don't necessarily want to use right now. So once we've added our 2 team members, we can hit save. That's it. Our sales team B has been created. Now, if we'd like to rotate leads or assign leads to them based on certain criteria, we can do that using the lead assignment rule. It is important to note that Salesforce does not offer out of the box to assign or rotate leads with a round-robin workflow across the sales team. Meaning that by default, Salesforce does not have an option where you can rotate leads that come in, which would be assigned to each user one by one and would keep rotating across the team. In order to do that, you have to create your own custom objects and fields and custom flow automations to make it work in Salesforce. It is not a feature that is offered out of the box. However, you can assign leads based on certain different criteria by using the lead assignment rule. So you will search for a lead assignment in your quick sign box. You will click here and you can create a new lead assignment rule. You can call this assignment geography. So you would basically assign your leads based on geography or location. So this is the one we created, assignment geography, and you can create your rule entries or your filters by clicking new. Sort order, you'd start by 1, and then as you keep entering new rules, you would increment the sort order. This would be a rule criteria. I can say, if my lead belongs to for a particular country, for example, in this case, I am going to say, if my lead belongs to country equals France, for example, then assign my lead to a particular user, and we can choose that user, and then we can hit save. So we can assign leads based on these conditions, but in Salesforce, we cannot, by default or by standard features, not rotate leads in a round-robin workflow across different users.